All right, we've got the new pilot and flame sensor installed. It's right back there. You see the orange wire and the white wire mounted onto those two flathead screw little plate. And gas is turned on our valve here. Thermostat is on upstairs. Let's click on the light switch here and see what happens. Okay, ooh. That pilot really puts out now. Wow. Oh, look at that. And voila. Man. What improvement, dude. And if it'll get that far, you know it's going to kick on. That's the main thing, is the pilot wasn't strong enough, so I guess part of the problem was maybe the this little bit here that's on the tip of the little gas line, this little line right here that weaves underneath and goes out of the pilot. Yeah, this tip might have been clogged. I know it's hard to see this, but this whole setup here, not very expensive to get online. You know, just search for Lennox G20 or G23 or whatever model yours is. Your model name will be written on the inside of this wall here, right up in there. Up on the far left, you'll see what model you have, and just look for the whole, pilot assembly and the flame sensor. Sometimes you can get them together, in one little package. Only takes a few minutes to install it, and bam! No need to call a technician. Awesome, man! Look at that. That is. Now turn it off. Do one more experiment. Clickaroo. Turn the switch back on. That pilot flame is the trick. Boom, look at that. Oh my word, that is so the way it's supposed to be. All right. Happy days, man, happy days. It's about to get cold here in Atlanta, Georgia. So, not a tough job. Not tough at all. If your pilot light comes on your furnace, but it just won't ignite to get to that flame stage right there, you either just need to clean this setup here or clean the little pilot mechanism that's inside, where the little gas line goes. Excuse them. There'll be a little gas line that attaches down there. Notice the the crusty buildup also inside there. I say just replace this. If I were you, if you're having this problem, just replace the whole shebang. It all comes with this wire and everything. Seriously, not a difficult job. And you probably saved yourself at least $200 of a service call. Because who knows what they would tell you. Anyway, check out other videos. We got all kinds of, how-to stuff. I don't claim to be any professional at this. I just try to figure it out and do my online research and just figure stuff out. So we got household stuff, lawn care stuff, car stuff, motorcycle stuff. You name it, we try to fix it around here, and we post videos to try and help you guys in the future. So like, share, follow, blah, 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 subscribe. Y'all have a great day.